chapter number 4, basic 256 control statement. In the previous class 6 you have already studied about the basic, so here take a quick look on the previous experience. The full form of the basic is the beginner all-purpose symbolic instruction code. That means this language is specially designed for beginners, and beginner means the student like class 6, 7 or class 8. And this is a high level language. And last year also you have seen how the simple program can be written with the help of input, let and print statement. In the continuation of that, we'll see in this chapter.
Let's see one by one. First of all, we need to know what is the meaning of operators. So operators are symbol as you use in the mathematics. There are 4 basic operators: plus, minus, multiplication and division. In the programming language like basic, we use one more operator that is known as exponent operator, not given in this book here now, maybe in later. And these operators simply used to calculate the things. Suppose when you want to add 2 things, we use addition, subtraction, multiplication and division as usual. Now in this chapter you are going to see about more arithmetic operators, some variable operators, looping statement. Here the names are given: while, end, while, do, until, for, next. Although I have not included these things in this part of the video, in next video it will be available. So we'll continue further. What are the other things in the basic language? We have to wait for the next slide. Just a minute. Here the operators are explained with the example. Addition: 54.31 plus 69 is equal to 123.31. Nothing new in it. Similarly, the subtraction: 91.1 minus 41 is equal to 50.1. Multiplication also: 36.12 is equal to 43.2 as usual. Similarly, the exponent operator can also be used, like 2 to the power 3 is in the value is equal to 8, because you might be knowing 2 into 2 into 2 gives us 8. Hereafter there are some comparison operators and logical operators, table given 4.2 and 4.3 in your book. You can go through that. Here the list of the operators: greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to and not equal to. Not equal to symbols are like the combination of less than and greater than together in the last, here you can see the last line of this table. Also some logical operators, although the logical operators of programming not included in this video. Next part is here's explained by example. So you can see the description part and the operators: semicolon, plus and AND. 3 symbols are used here sometimes in the programming. For example, x is equal to 12, marks is equal to 756. If I give the command print x followed by semicolon marks, then output will be 12765. Means the value of x followed by the marks will be printed. After that, some comments also we can write in the program. Comments means non-executable part of the programming language. Whatever we type, the same will display. And here the symbol hash can be used as a prefix followed by the sentence. Print statement and input statement are also given here. Print statement is used to get the answer, whereas input statement is used to provide the value. So when you provide the value, for example the input a comma b, that means we have to provide the value a and b on execution of the program, and the same you can get print. On the other hand, there are another type of variable, say string type of variable, numeric and string. In this example you can see $8 symbol is used. This is for string type of data. String type of data means the data which is not a numeric is called string. If you type in this way, for example, then output will come in this way. Enter your name, and when
end of first part of this video, and the conditional statement next time we shall continue, in which you can see how the programs can be written with the help of if then else or end while or end until, etc. Thank you very much.